This is the seal kit for the JCB 540 boom loader, above 2005 model. The partner of the seal kit 991/20024, and another one which you are having, the old one, which is using for the old model 540 boom loader. The both of seal are the same, even the outer side and the inner size. We'll check the inner size. It's same, it's matching. Also the outer side for the seal is matching. Another seal, all are the same. Only for the new model they change the wiper. This seal only change. This is the difference between new and old model. That's 1 minute.